finish your training with a bit of high intensity work, here's a nice swing squat complex that we use, and it should only take you a few minutes. Okay, so we're going to grab a kettlebell. Now there's lots of variations that we can do with this. We can squat with double kettlebells, dumbbell, you know, you don't have to use the same kettlebell for the squat and swing. You can squat with whatever weight is appropriate and then swing with a heavier weight. So we'll just go through a few examples. So the way the complex works is we're going to do 9 squats, 1 swing, 1 push-up. 8 squats, 2 swings, 1 push-up. 7, 3, 1, 6, 4, 1, all the way down to the last round, which is 1 squat, 9 swings, 1 push-up. Okay, so starting off. 1, 2, 9. Okay, kettlebell down. Now it's only 1 swing, so we make it a good one. 1. Kettlebell back down, walk out, push up, walk it back. Then we're going to do 8 squats, 2 swings, 1 push up. Okay, another way you can do it, you can have your double kettlebells set up in front of you for the squats and a heavier kettlebell then for your swings. So you do your round of squats, stepping forward. Do your round of swings, and then walk it out, push up, walk it back. Okay, and then the other alternative is you can also use dumbbells for your squats, or a bag of potatoes or a baby, whatever you have at hand.